Dahil involved naman po dito si former Secretary Duque, dapat alam nyo rin po ito. So, ibig sabihin, hindi nyo pa po nasasagot etong, halimbawa po, kasi ngayon, alam ko po ang ombudsman, magpa-file ng kaso, kasama po kayo doon sa kaso. So, hindi nyo pa po nasasagot, Madam Chair.
Patungkol po sa ombudsman case, ako po ay inatasan na mag-submit ng motion for reconsideration, and I'm just waiting, Madam Chairperson, Your Honors, for the action of the ombudsman on my MR. So everything, my legal team has already submitted all the documents to support and counter the baseless allegations that were filed against my person. Thank you.
So ulitin ko lang po, Madam Chair, to summarize po yung mga tanong ko po sa DOH. So sinasabi po ni Secretary Duque that they transferred 47.6 billion to PSDBM without the MOA. Pero skeptical pa sa atin kung talagang merong nga bang technical specifications or quality standards. Yan, number one. Number two, so sinasabi po, din po sa atin na ni Secretary Duque, Madam Chair, sa utos po ni dating Presidente Duterte ay nagkaroon ng ganito, na transfer itong 47.6 billion. Tama po ba? Please say yes or no.
Publicly, this was made by the President in our meetings in the weekly meet or talk to the people.
Okay.
Meetings.
So, clear po yun, no? 47.6 billion to be transferred to PSDBM. No? Publicly announced by the former President Duterte na ma-transfer yan. So, number two,